Hello, friends. Today is one of my favorite days of the month. And the reason why it's one of my favorite days is because today is the day I am unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag. The day that I open my Ipsy packages each month is literally like a birthday. And I am about to show you guys what I got for the month of June. Ipsy has completely transformed my life, my self-care, and my beauty routine. And I love that Ipsy introduces me to so many high quality, natural, vegan, cruelty-free products. The fact that Ipsy is founded by Michelle Phan, you know that whatever's in here can be trusted. So let us open it up. For the month of June, we are looking for sunny days ahead. Now let's go check out what Ipsy has for us to be ready and fresh for the sunny days ahead. First up, we have the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the original Ipsy subscription. It comes with 5 deluxe beauty samples worth up to $70. Subscribers get to choose one product for the month, and this whole thing is only 14 bucks. So you are saving a heck ton of money. This is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. Super, super cute makeup bag, and you do get a makeup bag for every glam bag that you get. Now let us go see what's inside. First off, we have body scrub and cleanser. Super, super cute. Vitamin C brightening serum. I love all the serums that I get from Ipsy, and I get asked all the time, what is your skin secret? You have really nice skin. And I don't really have a certain product that I keep using over and over. I literally just tell them my skincare products consist of what I get in my Ipsy box. And it's keeping my skin super fresh, youthful. I have no complaints. Toner. I also have loved all the toners that I've received from Ipsy. Every time I get a toner, I am excited. And I actually still have 2 toners left there. But this is a cute travel size that I can bring with me whenever I'm out of the house. Moisturizing matte tint. I am so curious about this right now. It's so cute and tiny. Let's try it. All right. By the way, when you take your Ipsy test, it'll ask you your preferred shades for lipsticks and all that stuff. And when I did my test, I said that I'm more of a pink, neutral type of girl. Quite frankly, I hope they would send me a red one of these days. Last but not the least, in our Ipsy Glam bag, we have this eye palette from Formula Z called Glamgasm. Oh my goodness. This packaging is cute. And this is what the palette looks like inside. And these are the contents of my Ipsy Glam bag for June. Go check it out. $14 a month. It's super worth it. Now it is time to unbox this month's BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is worth up to $200, but you're only going to be paying $30 a month. Now let us go check it out and see what goodies they have for us. First product is from Glow Recipe. It is a cleanser. It's actually my first time trying out their cleanser, and I can't wait. I know for a fact that their serum, eye cream, and face mist has treated me so well. So I am also expecting the same with this one. Moisturizer with sunscreen, because we all need it every single day. I Defy. I believe it's a mascara. And it is. Next is a line. It says perfume on here. Ooh, okay, let's smell it. Floral. I feel luxurious. Smells fantastic. And last but not the least, we got a lipstick. And the color is a nude color. And that is my Ipsy BoxyCharm. If you want to check out Ipsy for yourself, I have a link for you guys. Just click here if you are in the stories and in the description for everything else. And that is it. Have a great day.